Hey everyone, Yoga here from Utilize the Business. There are so many courses out there, but if you're looking for best affiliate marketing course, watch this video. In this video, I'm going to relieve what is the best marketing course and why you should invest in this marketing course. And our video starts right now. Hi, welcome back. So, what is the best affiliate marketing course? The course which gives you a lot of value of whatever they're asking to invest you in. So there are a lot of courses out there that asking for anywhere from $97, or there are some courses which are a little bit better in price, but they don't offer a value of what exactly you would need as an affiliate marketer to be successful on online marketing. In this course that I'm going to tell you about, it is affordable, it is backed by one of the best company, and most important is they actually held your hand throughout the course and tells you what exactly the marketing is, what exactly online marketing is, and how you can be successful doing the affiliate marketing. What are the core values, how to market products. So it not only does help you in affiliate marketing, you can actually, take the fundamentals and apply to any other products or your own products and market it online. So without further wait, let's go and I'll just tell you all about what this course is and how you can be part of this course, invest in this course, and be successful as an online affiliate marketer. So the course that I'm talking about is by a legendary marketer. It's their 15-day online business builder challenge. What exactly it is you have 15 days and each day you get different assignments. You do have video in each day that will help you with the mindset. That will also help you with the core fundamental of marketing online, and at the same time it also gives you some sort of assignment where you have to do some sort of homework assignment. So I went through it, and the best part is after 4 or 5 days, you actually have to book an appointment with your advisor. Now, what that is it's somebody that actually is going to help you in terms of you want to get into online marketing, why it's better, how can you be successful in online marketing, and what exactly you have to do. So it's sort of a coach there helping you with your mindset, so exactly you know what to expect and what to do with it. And most importantly, what it is you cannot jump to the next day till you finish the one-on-one with your advisor, and after that he will unlock the next 4 or 5 days of challenge, and then again you have meeting with the advisor, and after that he opens up the rest of it. So that is basically basic part of it. Now, why I actually liked about this is each day will give you some sort of a tidbit on online marketing. Now, somebody who's new, who doesn't have any knowledge or any inside working of how online marketing works, going this day by day actually will help you. So the first day, digital marketing assessment quiz about yourself, tells you assesses of where you actually stand in it. And then this video, which is about an hour long, on David Sharp, where he's the one who runs Legendary Marketer. He talks about how to build a high ticket, high profit business online. So basically that's a business model which he proposes is that's profitable, so that you're not end up marketing those low ticket item where you're as affiliate you're making $10, $5 or less, so that which is in the long run not profitable for your business, where you should focus on high ticket affiliate marketing where you could end up earning anywhere from $1,000 and up, $500, $1,000 and up. So that's what it is. Now day 2, it's a little bit different. He tells you a little bit more about the 4 core values of the online high ticket. He also talked about these videos again, close to an hour. And after that, he also has there are a couple of other videos of all the other successful people who are with online legendary marketers, what they have done. And most importantly, it also asks you, again, reminds you to book an appointment with your advisor. So as long you keep on doing this for the next 15 days, and after day 5 or so is where will help you, have your business plan. Now, what I really likes about this is the business plan is not only focuses on affiliate marketing, it focuses on marketing, and you can use that to market any products. You can use it to market your own products. So that's it. The fundamentals are the same for the marketing. So from the 5th day onwards, will tell you to focus on your business plan. The next day, as we go on, and then they pitch on their own business blueprint that can help you exactly to take your affiliate marketing business further along with their high ticket business blueprint. As you move further on day 9 onwards, they start talking about lead generation for your business, whatever it is marketing or affiliate marketing, where you are marketing other people's product, what the challenge is, and how you can be successful. Then the next one after that is it talks about the copywriting. That's another one in terms of how to have a good copyright which will hook whoever people are basically on your sales page. And then the next one talks about the presentation. As you keep on going through this, so each day will just builds on building your business on online and all that. So as you go on, each day does involve some sort of a video, on top of that some homework assignment and some sort of motivation, and tells you the fundamentals of it. Now, the reason I like this course, first one is the price, and the price for you to invest in this was only $7. So it's not one of those high-end, where you're spending a lot of money. For $7, you get access to this course, where you also have a one-on-one coaching with the business advisor. He helps you. You do have a one-on-one call with them. I believe 2 to 3 calls during this 15-day challenge. And each day you do get assignment, something to self-assess yourself, and also some sort of a motivation videos to see if this is for you or not. Now, on top of that, there's another value that I'll talk about. Whatever investment you're putting in the course, are you getting, is the value greater than the investment? In this case, the value is much greater than the $7 that you're investing in. You're also getting the bonus script, templates. They also gives you sales funnels, also that those are built in Clickfunnels. All you gotta do is just import that to your own account. And on top of that is they will help you with the email marketing and all that if you are really into this online marketing journey. So you can start promoting Legendary Marketers course. The only way you'll do that if you go through this 15-day challenge, because they don't just pick any people to promote their courses and all that. So that's another big thing. And Legendary Marketer, the main fundamental is on selling high ticket items. So their products are roughly anywhere from the high ticket is anywhere from $2,000 all the way to $10,000-$20,000. So now this video is not about their products, but this video is specifically about this course, which is highly recommended by me. And you should, whoever is watching this video and thinking about getting into the online marketing, should invest it in $7, and for the next 15 days should invest anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, so that you guys actually know how to start your online marketing business and how to be, most important thing, how to be profitable. All right, guys, if you did watch this video till the end and you like what I have to say, give me a thumbs up and put some comments and then tell me exactly what you like about this video. Now, this is all for this video. Next week, we'll come up with another video and talk about another thing, about either be a product review or anything what's going on in the world of affiliate marketing. Till then, see you. Bye.